friend is.
Right.
So for the adult slum book questions, who is your best friend na secretly nilalandi ang jowa mo? Adult slum...
Or you know how I just don't know how to properly word it. But you know how like, okay, there's the best friend, you know, the one that everyone knows of. But there's this friend na parang humahabol dun because you're constantly hanging out with them.
Yung parang first runner-up friend.
Oo, na hindi naman sila like
First runner-up friend?
in Miss Universe.
Hindi, alam mo yun, yung you're not the best friend.
First runner-up best friend. Yung unofficially, you're the best friend, but officially, you're not. You know how there are people who are like that na you're with them every day, you hang out with them all the time, but
that's
they're
true,
not.
But you're not, because you have a best friend.
Yes.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
There's somebody like that.
Yeah,
actually,
because technically, sometimes your best friends, you don't see them all the time.
Often,
na.
Actually, two ways. Either it's an adult twist to your regular slum book questions, or an all-out like adult question. So, for example, ito yung twist muna. Adult slum book questions. What is your favorite food? Tas in parenthesis, na lagi mong kinakaing mag-isa kasi loveless ka.
Wow!
Di ba? It's a regular question, pero there's a twist.
May follow-up.
Adult slum book questions. Pumili ka. Mas mahal mo o mas mahal ka? This is very adult.
Yeah, because that would have never been asked in a
not for kids. Hello.
Not for kids.
Or mas
diba?
mahal ka.
You're in a relationship. Would you rather na ikaw yung mas nagmamahal or ikaw yung mas mahal?
Mas mahal mo.
Mas mahal mo.
Yeah.
Mas masarap.
Yeah. Because we just love freely.
Tsaka, pag yung mas mahal ka, feeling ko eventually magsasawa ka
Magsasawa ka.
Parang,
Yeah. I'm getting too much.
That.
Really?
No, not like, I guess if there's just so much, like it's such a big difference.
Actually, dalawa yan.
Plus what's not being said kasi.
The overwhelming.
Yeah, alam mo, dalawa yan. Kasi like, kunyari, you love it when you are loved. Obviously, it's a nice feeling.
It's true.
Pero for some people naman, they like the feeling of being needed. So sila yung mas nagmamahal.
Yeah.
Sila yung mas nag-aaway.
Plus what's not being said kasi in that question is, kung mas mahal ka, hindi mo siya ganun kamahal. Yun eh. Yung what's not being said in that question.
That's
so,
true.
I'd rather pick somebody na like I super love.
super duper love. Yeah.
Ito yung pinaka-favorite ko sa mga examples. Adult slum book questions. Nakailang forever ka na. Diba? Obviously, when you say forever, dapat isa lang siya.
Or another
Ilang forever ka na.
Or another way of saying it is ilang soulmate na na-meet.
Ayun.
Yan, yung mga ganyan. Kasi diba,
or better yet, gaano kalandi ang kaluluwa mo? Ang dami mo soulmate.
Diba? Yeah, no, because the younger slum books would have like, who do you think is your soulmate?
Yeah, that's true.
The gentler, younger,
slum book.
more kid-friendly is, how many boyfriends have you had? Hindi yung nakailang forever. Napaka-jaded nung Ito, adult slum book questions. Ito, maganda rin to. Nakakailang bote ka bago mong makalimutan kung gaano mo pa siya kamahal?
I love it.
I like that. You know, I never really thought of that.
Diba? Nakakailang hindi para malasing ha?
Yeah.
Pero nakakailang bote ka para makalimutan mo kung gaano mo pa siya
kamahal. That's a lot of
There's
bottles.
a lot because you can still be drunk and still remember perfectly.
Yeah, sometimes
you know
it even enhances it.
It gets worse.
Ito hindi ko masyadong maintindihan ko ano to. Adult slum book question. What is your favorite celebrity scandal? Ano ba yung mga ganyan? Siguro yung mga nag-away si ganyan.
Or mga
Very
Nixon.
Oh.
Watergate.
Watergate.
Diba? Yeah, that was a scandal.